Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of I Hope You Are Really Happy. Chapter 21, so here it is. Let's read the story. Finally, Susing, she came back home. Well, when she see the clock, she spent more than an hour. And she already feels that it's really congested at night. Well, probably she don't feel the surrounding. That's why she get to work fast and she came back home early. Well, suddenly, when she go to the kitchen, she went to pick up the wine. When she looked back, she is seeing it was Yu Shao who's waiting for her. Well, looking at this girl, she seems to be sleepy. Probably she was sleeping and also got awakened. And now she told her, "You're back." Yu Shao. It seems that she was still on the nightgown and suddenly awakened. Why not open the light? Yu Shao said to Su Xing. Now Yu Shao, she opened the light so Su Xing can able to see what's in the background. Well, it turns out this girl, she was really holding a wine. Su Xing said, "Are you going to bed so early?" Now, looking at her, it seems that she wanted to drink this night. Well, let's see. Su Xing, she was pouring the wine on another container. A little uncomfortable, Yu Shao said to Su Xing. Well, probably. She don't really feel good. That's why right now, she sat on the table. It seems to be she want to relax. But also, she looks really sad. Well, maybe something is happening. That's why Yu Shao, she really feels so down. But Su Xing said to her, "Uncomfortable, where's the discomfort?" "Don't know, it doesn't seems to be either." "Oh, so what's the matter? Why suddenly she looks really sad and also get tired?" "What did you eat?" Yu Shao is asking her. Su Xing said it was a hot pot. "Did I have smells on my body? Did you smell uncomfortable, don't you?" Su Xing is asking her. Now Yu Shao said to her, "No, you still very fragrant." Now she was shaking her head. A little bit dizzy and ignorant. "Are you not sleepy?" "Well, let's see. Going to see a doctor, eating something bad at night." "No, I don't even eat." "Why not eat? Did you make a beef?" "Well, you should said to Susing. It turns out this girl, she was really no appetite. "You're not here, I can't eat anymore, probably because, well, when I received the message of Susing, I was very disappointed and I felt that I was too lost. So that's the reason, that's why she looks really sad. I don't know, but I feel so sad when I know that she's eating with someone else, not me. Why? I'm looking for this Susing. What I'm expecting? Well, she was really overthinker. That right now, she thought to herself that I deliberately waiting on 7 o'clock to tell her more. I want her. Well, this is really strange, right? On the other hand, she is expecting that Susing will always be her side. She suppress her emotions like spring, not to eliminate it but to see if it spat out unbearably. My heart, it is fluctuating right now. Shirley can think about it. She was really thinking hard. But I'll eat it with you, a little more. Susing said to hers. So it turns out the two of them has no appetite for today, but they choose to eat a dinner together. Haven't you eaten? Yu Shao is asking Susing. It's not delicious. I didn't eat a few bites, Susing said to hers. Now, it really makes sense. It turns out Susing, she might be a picky person sometimes. The hot pot outside is not delicious at all. Many of them are waste of oil and the flavors are not very good. After eating, you will get a heartburn and it tastes still not good. Do you want to eat or only want to eat beef? Do you want me to eat? Susing said to hers. Well, it is so fast. Probably right now, the two of them are really good at teasing each other. Well, she took out the beef. Now, she's going to reheat it. What do you want to eat? Do you want to know what you want to eat? Well, this is really getting tricky, right? Well, finally, she's going to reheat the beef. I don't know, but you want to heat it. I will eat a little. Susing said to Yushao. Well, let's see on what will happen. It seems that her emotion is really getting better. Can you give me your wine? Aren't you uncomfortable? Well, Yushao said that she's already fine. Well, it's so fast. Susing said to her. Well, can I? Well, you can, Susing said to her. Wait, ha ha, have you learned it? You heard it wrong. Susing said to her. You just learned. Yushao said to Susing. Well, these two, they're really good at teasing each other. It was a good elementary school. A chicken, so take it. So it turns out she was really fried on her cookings for today. She really wants Susing to try it. Now Susing, after a while, a bowl of rice and it's going to taste the beef that you shall already cook. In fact, I have eaten a lot while I was waiting for the news. Well, probably right now, I want to be with her, sort of pretend that they really can eat together. How about it? Yusha said to Susing. Well, she was asking if the beef is really good, but right now, Susing's expression is really good. He said to her that it was really delicious. Well, let's see if it's really delicious. But right now, it seems that she was really good at coaxing people. The stewed beef outside is different from the family. They like to fry potatoes, meat, etc., but they're not fragrant. Moreover, the stewed beef must be. Now, it really makes sense. It was a long talk for the two of them, but after speaking, eating, of course, they have a wine time, so they really can talk about each other. It's hard to finish eating. Yushao said to Susing, don't you like it? There's sparkling wine in the cabinet. You can try it. Oh, she's been generous by offering her wine collection. Then, I'll pick it, Susing said to Yushao. After a while, the mix and drink. It is easy to get wrong, so less. We really need to enjoy today. Yushao, she's really looking happy. Well, let's see on what will happen next. Yushao said to Susing. I'm already taking a bath. I can sleep directly when I feel so drunk. Now, she was pouring herself. Well, let's see on what will happen. It seems that Susing right now. Let's come and see it. Oh, look at her. It seems that she's thinking mischievous thing. Let's solve and let's see. But this really good. It was a crisp sounds in the silent night like foreign raindrops. Well, the two of them finally are enjoying staying with each other, the company of each other, and also the laughing. When the eyes are getting thicker, breathing heavier, run before speaking as soon as the lips moistens. Both of them had a hunch. Oh, is she really psychic? Well, definitely. Everyone has a hunch. So now, let's see what will happen next. Since it seems that the relationship of the two of them is really getting better. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.